So we make an appointment and you come out. What are some of the first questions you're going to be asking this client, or what's your typical client profile look like? What are the questions they're asking you?
What does it cost?
Okay, that's a good one.
Yeah. Yeah. The average is probably around $15,000 to $16,000.
Okay.
The cost for a deck, though, if you were just building a deck on the back of your house, it'd be a lot more expensive than that.
It would. Yes,
Yeah.
it would.
Yeah. And we are trying really hard to be efficient and cost reasonable for people because it's, we feel like we're helping people, and that's what we want to do.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you've got the Trex material, composite. You're going in with 2x12s. You're going in with lumber.
Yeah.
Is that lumber treated at all?
No.
Okay.
It's not. It's
Okay.
UV protected on the very top.
Yep.
Because that's our biggest problem.
Yep.
Other parts of the country, we're going to have something different.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right. Y'all service Arizona statewide.
Just Arizona.
Okay. So you come in with the lumber, you set in all the structural members, then you top everything with the Trex wood, simulated wood grain composite.
Right.
What's the maintenance on that?
It's pretty small. Hose it off every now and then. It gets dusty or whatever. There's not much. Our lumber is going to shrink a little bit when we build that frame.
Yes.
We're going to come back and re-level it. We want a little bit of time between the time to install and the time to re-level. But
Generally speaking, what is that, Jeff?
depends on the temperature.
Okay.
A couple months in the summertime, maybe.
Okay.
2 to 3. You tell us, we'll come out and do it. And then in the wintertime, it's longer because it's cooler.
Okay.
Yeah.
And that the lumber is shrinking a little bit, and what, are you re-shimming or what?
Yeah, we shim.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Yep. Uh-huh.
Yeah, that might have been a little surprise the first time you got that phone call, right? And then you figured you had to just build it in to a regular part of the process.
Yeah, I don't remember the first time. It was, it's ongoing for many years.
And y'all been doing this for how long?
Well, it's 20 years in April.
Is it really?
The first one. But, like I said, the first few were spread out.
And then there is structural support or stabilizing post of some type that you're putting down in the larger spans, or where does your engineer decide those need to go?
Yeah. Well, the 2x12 only spans so far.
Yeah.
So what I've seen too is lumber droops over time.
Yeah, absolutely.
People that put in a substandard frame, it's going to look nice at first.
Yeah.
But in a year or two, or depending on how far it's overspanned, we don't have that. Ours are very well built. Like I say, I exceed the building code many times. I'm on almost every time on every deck, and I prefer it that. But even the building code allows a bounce.
Yes.
Have you ever stood on a deck and bounced up and down? Oh, I hate that.
Okay.
We don't do that.
All right.
We shorten our spans and our overhangs because I don't want that. I know our customers don't want that.
And it is habitable space. I mean, you put barbecues
Weddings.
up there, weddings. You put
Yeah.
people. So it's not a frail architectural deck.
Not at
it's
all.
usable space.
Oh yeah.
Get your table out there. Get your chairs out there.
Basketball court, maybe.
Okay. All right.
I
Very
don't know.
good.
Maybe.
Jeff, one more time. The phone number?
602-331-1835.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.